Namaste. Good morning, children. Welcome to P activities test. Okay. Test your self assessment test. You can practicing for the your exercise and activities yourself. You can assessment your body, how flexibility and strength and coordination. This all the testers. This week I'll show you two tests for the your body. Okay, first test is sit and reach. This test is flexibility test. Okay, your body, how flexibility your body for your self assessment test. Okay, purpose of the test is your flexibility of lower extremities, particularly trunk. Your trunk, how flexibility, sit and reach test. Okay, I'll show you. Yes, first, if you need equipments, one mat, yoga mat or any mat you can use, or this one. Okay, sit and reach, you can need one tape, straight line. Okay, and scale or tape, measuring for the scale or tape, like this long scale you can take, and one, yes, sit like a before line, you can sit straight, and center of the pot you can arrange for the in between the line, you can start for the this one scale. Spread out your leg for the one 2 foot you can spread out your leg, or 8 to 12 inches you can spread your leg in between the line only. You can sit like a straight. Okay, don't raise your knee. Okay, and 3 times you can practice. Yes, before you can start test, you can little warm up, because you can body should be free. Yes, 3 times you can touch. Yes, touch as much possible. 2, yes, 3, yes. Myself ready for the test. Yes, both the hands, 1 2 hand you can join like this. Raise your hand, normal breathing and breathe out. Don't raise your feet, don't raise your knees. Yes, bend as much possible, you can stretch. Yes, yes, hold on for the 1 minute. Yes, yes, this is for the your assessment of the sit and reach. Myself 25 centimeter stretch. Okay, 25 centimeter stretch, you can take the use the tape, and otherwise big scale you can use. Okay, this is the your flexibility of your trunk. Okay, I'll scorecard like this. Excellent means 61 centimeter, very good means 46 to 60, good means 31 to 45, fair means 16 to 30, below 60 poor. Okay, fair means 16 to 30 is fair. This is the sit and reach test scorecard. Okay, this type of you can practice for the home and send for the my WhatsApp number your how your flexibility and test you can send for my mobile number. Okay, next one, pearl. Yes, next one, second test, partial curl up test. Okay, partial curl up test. This purpose of the test is only for the your fitness of your abdominal and spinal cord muscles test. Okay, if you need equipments, make the yoga mat, you can take yoga mat, or any mat you can take, stick it on the 2 lines. Okay, tape 2 lines, you can 2 lines. If you lines for the 6 inches gap, Okay, 6 inches gap for the between the lines. Okay, 6 inches. You can 6 inches between the two lines gap. Like this, you can arrange. And one timer, 30 seconds timer. You can use for the timer or your mobile only. You can using for the setting for the 30 seconds. Okay, how to perform I'll show you. You sit on for the in between the line. You can sit like this. Okay, your upper body should be lie down. Okay, don't raise your hip or leg. Only upper body, and your hand should be, palm should be forward moving. This line to this line touch. Okay, this line to this line touch like this. Okay, ready children? Timer should be ready. 30 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Yes, timer on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. 30 seconds over. Yes. Yeah. 30 seconds. My score is 16. Yes. Every time your hand should be moving for the first baseline to second line touch. Okay, like this. Your upper body should be moving. 30 seconds. How many times you can touch for the second line? That is only partial curl hoop test. Okay, this purpose of your abdominal strength and your spinal cord strength, your self assessment. This score card is your excellent is 20 to 25, very good means 15 to 20, and 10 to 15 is good, 5 to 10 is fair, and below 5 is poor. Your assessment of your body should be how abdominal, your strength, fitness of your body, your self assessment. Okay, this is the two tests I'll show you. These two tests you can practice, and best score you can send me my WhatsApp number. Yes, thank you children, have a nice day, bye bye.